Hi, this is Chantel with WTI. I am so happy I finally found a toothbrush that makes my 11-year-old want to brush his teeth. This is the Oral-B IO Series 6 and it has so many cool features. First up, it's rechargeable. I love not having to replace batteries. And as soon as he's done brushing, he can set it right back on the charger so it's ready for his next brush. But the display screen shows the battery life so you'll know if it needs to be charged. It has 5 cleaning modes, so there's an option for everything you're trying to target. And the 2-minute timer is great because it gives me reassurance that our son is brushing the appropriate amount of time. And if you don't reach the 2 minutes, you get a frowny face, which is really cute. I know our son is getting his teeth so clean with this electric toothbrush. And another cool feature is that it's equipped with a smart pressure sensor. So it lights up green when he's applying just the right amount of pressure, and then it will light up red to remind him to reduce his brushing pressure if he is brushing too hard. He says that after using it, it makes him feel like he just had a cleaning at the dentist office. We both really love this toothbrush, but that's just our point of view.